Okay, we down here at Goose Creek on a Saturday, paddling. Got Kay Allen with us. And old Sammy, he's over there in the middle. That's Kay up there in front of me, creek here. Beautiful day. Okay, you're down here at Goose Creek. We're back at the slough on the left side. It's real low in here today. You can see a lot of dirt. Look at all the trees and see the watermarks on them. We're going on back in the back up here where it starts narrowing down. Some pretty cypresses in here though. You're back here now. Sorry, the light 4th or 5th. I don't know. I lose track of days. Yeah. I'm gonna pull over here and get the boys when they come by. See all the cattails up there looking pretty.
Go in there.
Go on by.
What?
I got the camera on.
Right there.
I'm gonna get y'all when you go by.
Don't turn your paddle around.
Yeah, just
leave your
okay.
Leave your paddle like it is.
Here come Rufus.
Yeah, don't never turn your paddle around.
Get in the front, Rufus, and go on back. Stay in the middle. You won't hit nothing.
Lift your leg a little bit and press it on the side.
I'm getting a video of all of you now.
Are you? Getting us all on camera.
Oh, so if anybody turn over, I got it on film. I don't think you can go much farther. I think there's a tree down on the other side of that little owl, I think. Back up there, bud, now. Well, we're back out to Goose Creek again. You don't see all them steps over there?
Yeah.
But he cut a hole into the camera case. Right, he's going to go out in that. And they made him goddamn off. Close it back up. But now you have to go out and go out.
You filming?
Huh?
You filming?
Yeah. This is a once in a lifetime.
First time we'll paddle little salmon.
Yeah, it is.
Huh?
It's the first time I ever paddled with y'all. I've seen y'all a whole lot of times.
Okay, our journey's about over. I can see the end of the water there. That old duck just come by. Okay, we're just about to get up to Dinah's Landing.